slice it up, put it in, close the cap, then put it on the thing.
Okay guys, og karon guys, maghimo kog mango shake. Hi guys. Og karon maghimo ko og mango shake guys. It's mango.
Hi.
Hi RJ. What you doing RJ?
Pick up this thing, pick up some water and splash it.
Good. Okay, and first I get ice.
From our fridge, it's
Oh my goodness, I make wet RJ.
what?
What's this?
And our fridge is a carnivore, guys. If you can chop up this mango, and so we're gonna blend it. That's all we're gonna do, guys.
Yeah.
Now she's gonna chop up this mango, guys.
Making now here RJ. Oh.
Uh-oh. Dripping!
Sweat down here.
Let's see what happens when I
Don't do that.
water in there, guys. That's bad. Bad, bad, bad. And look,
Bad.
and look how many ice there is in this thing. Wow. So many ice. And let me show you the package, what it looks like, guys, okay? Okay, Mommy Elsa?
What's pockets?
The package it came in. Can I show the kids?
What do we got?
I mean the adults. Can I call them?
Oh, it's so good.
They can see it now. And yeah, I can show it to you again, guys. So here it is, guys. This is what it looks like.
Yep.
So you
Look
just
like
you just move it away.
we make wet now here.
Yeah. Giant wet. That's bad, guys.
Giant.
If you ever had that, put it in the comments. Just put it in the comments. A lot of ice. A lot of ice for days. There's also a cap, guys. I need to show you the cap. Okay? I'll just be like that. For the cap. So, here's the cap, guys. So, I have the arrow here. And then you see the arrow right here. Then you
Okay, I put
put
this.
right there and
Okay.
like that. It puts more ice in. Oh, anyways. So it goes like that. After that, it's on. Goes like that. You want to release it? Push that, release it. It's there. So that's how you work it. So, like this. There you go. There we go, guys. If you want to pour tea in, put it in like that. Close it up, like that. You want to pull it up, do that. That's how you work this thing. Slice it up, put it in, close the cap, then put it on the thing. Then you're ready. Then if you want to pour it out, get this thing and pour it into your cup, whatever cup. Take this cup. It's what's the ice in here. This is our old blender maker. This is our old holder. Has a cap. Also has a cap because you need cap so it doesn't blow everywhere. And you got the thing on. It goes on like this, like that. But I didn't mean to do that, guys. So, you know what that means? Get off. Get off here. Oh, got you off. This is a mistake.
Hi guys! Good evening!
Now we're gonna cut. Anyways, RJ controlling camera. Again, Jake, we did that. RJ controlling camera, but now this gonna call it RJ controlling gimbal.
Okay guys, og karon guys, maghimo kog mango shake. How to make a mango shake, guys?
Yep.
I want to show you this.
Yep.
To make a mango shake, and I cut this and put there.
Put in the ninja instead of that old one over there. You
Ninja
see,
blender.
the old one is the one filled in with ice.
Okay, I
That
cut
you
this
can-
first.
Okay, so you have to cut it. Cut. I might not have enough power.
No,
What?
this the juice
Oh no.
dripping.
There's juice!
It's dripping the juice. It's dripping.
Ah! You see the ninja over there, right?
Yeah.
The one is the new one, not which is.
So guys, be careful to clean up this because I have a bobo now.
Yeah, she has a band-aid on.
See, when I clean up,
Yeah. Daddy said I told you not to touch it. You should have just filled it in and just put water in it. That's what you should have done.
no, it's not clean. It's only water.
Okay, there's.
Okay, and then this,
You
I
have
do
to-
that.
Yep. So you just,
Closer, RJ. So that make
that's enough. That's how she cuts it.
yeah. And then
Anyways,
first
we're.
I put ice this first here. See it, RJ?
Yeah.
Oops, open there. Ice.
The icing.
That's enough. And this here, I put this here.
Put that in there.
Yep.
That's how you put it in, guys.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, next one.
Well, that's gonna be a lot of mango for
Yeah.
Daddy and you,
Yeah, you eat this, RJ.
maybe.
It's shaky.
Shaky time.
That you see, the mango.
See it. Want me to go X2?
No.
Okay. Right now it's on X1.
Okay.
Got a little cut of your hair.
Hmm?
I got a little cut of your hair. That's
Cut.
okay though.
Okay.
It's a little cut. I see a bird.
Okay. That's it, the mango.
Yep. Also, right next to the place she's making is the Frigidaire gallery oven and Frigidaire microwave, which just came in the things.
Get the milk here. And I put a little bit of milk.
You're too close.
Mango milkshake.
I got a giant cut of your head.
We call mango milkshake.
Go my own.
Okay. And I put little bit. Just like that.
Yep.
Oh,
So you got
that.
milk.
just
Empty this.
estimate how much.
Put it back in our caramel.
Okay. And then I get a sugar.
Yep. It's put in there.
Just me.
So she's gonna get the sugar.
There is not it. It's a brown sugar we use.
I mean so she's gonna
And I put 2 spoons.
2 spoons.
Yep.
Okay, so she washes it first.
Yeah.
And she goes to the sugar.
Yeah.
Where did we get that sugar?
Buy it in the store.
I guess at Smith's maybe.
1,
Let's see, got
2. Here's the spoon.
right on top of the mango shake.
Yeah.
You cut it.
Okay. And then put this first here.
Yep. Put that there. You have to just close it on the arrow wherever you see it. Take that.
Like that.
Now
And then
put it in the blender.
put this in the blender here.
They're close.
With this thing, this is the brand new blender, guys.
Yep.
We just opened this today.
Yeah. So check out the scene of the video.
Yeah, check out the unboxing for this. If you like, where is now the arrow?
And this needs to go a little bit upper. Let's do it.
And there is. Here, guys. You see, RJ?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you gotta push low, medium, or high.
Okay, I post low first. We just look at it what's look like. Power. There
Push
is.
low.
I post low. Put in medium. Wow,
Put it on high.
pretty good. Put in high.
Enough.
That's so quick, huh? Low. I put in low. Look at that. Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is, guys. And then, look at that, so quick.
That was like
How
what?
fast that is.
That might be 2 seconds. Wow.
2 seconds, not 2 seconds, maybe 2 minutes. Wow, it's pretty cool. I like it. See? Nice,
Now
RJ.
look inside.
Okay, I look. And there is a pick up. And there is.
Okay, I want to look at it.
So quick, huh?
Okay,
I like that.
I want to look at it now.
Let me see.
You're not getting it out though.
Oh. Let me see if blend all. Yes, good.
I want to look. Okay, guys.
No. Okay. You be careful, that is so sharp. See, look at the, it's nice. Be post first.
It's dripping.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Okay, mommy to pour.
Okay,
Okay, guys.
RJ, control
I-
the camera.
I pour now. Here is
So here we go.
water.
That's a
There
cup.
is 2 glass of mango shake. See, so quick, honey. I like, honey.
Did it crush the ice good?
Yeah, pretty good. Look,
Yes, the photographer, would you?
there is. It's the one mango. Here is. Good.
Okay, want me to test it?
Yeah, taste it, honey.
Okay.
What you think?
Very
Like
good.
it?
First thing.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay,
The one.
this is mine right here.
Okay, there is. Okay, good. Mommy too.
Mommy tested now too. I was the first one, remember?
Wow, syrup. Syrup
Still
for
got ice in
you.
there?
Yeah, the leftover.
You know what that
That's
means,
another one.
guys?
What's that?
That means run time.
Delicious.
But now, yet,
Okay, guys, and that's it for
Today.
mango milkshake.
Here, get the mommy.
And see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.